There is more than 8,000 completely damaged residential houses and more than 14,000 partially damaged residential houses. This is in addition to masjids, medical centers, public places, and road networks, electrical networks, and water networks. Now it is the time to reconstruct Gaza. Now it is the time to rebuild the damaged houses, the partially damaged houses and completely damaged houses. It is appeal for all of the people that listen to us to continue supporting Human Aid UK in reconstructing and rebuilding of Gaza Strip and its houses.